Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here and stuff for the lunchtime market update for Monday, October the 11th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we are with the market here today. So we've got SPX here, guys, about 15 points right here, but it was up higher and it was down lower earlier. It's a wild day today. It's Columbus Day, right? So what's all this stuff here? What are these levels? These are some retraces right here that could be pretty interesting. A, B, C move right here for a possible. Show you here on the where are we? Where we go for a possible retrace to for the sub wave right here. So this is kind of like a wave 1, wave 2 on this move. So it does look like we're working on the wave 5 right here. So let's definitely keep an eye on that and see how that goes here today for SPX. Let's take a look at the SPY again. Nice little pullback happening right now. But again, we're going to see if we hold those levels right here. Nice bull flag breakout here on the SPY earlier, right? We pointed this out on the in the bubble report this morning. So that gave us a nice move right here. Now we're retesting the lows of the day. So we're going to see how that goes. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, beautiful breakout here this morning. Again, it was generally on low volume. We're seeing a nice breakdown right now as we speak into the signal zone right here. So let's see if this holds support. Like we said, let's see if that holds, because this definitely looks like a wave 1 up, right? And if you look at here on the S&P, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, wave 4. So we could be working on a wave 4 on the S&P futures, right? So definitely something to keep an eye on here going into the afternoon. But again, we're generally holding up well today. The big worry that I had today is if we got over the overnight lows here on the MES and on the S&P futures, and to get into the clear air below. But in the meantime, it looks like we're pulling back here for a little bit of a move here into the afternoon session. So we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look at the Qs here again. Nice breakout through the geometrical right here and above the gamma fib level. Now it's negative gamma. So let's see how that holds. IWM. Got out of the channel here this morning and kind of coming back in now. XLF. XLF with a nice pullback here too. Again, it had some wild movements this morning. VIX. Again, the big thing with the VIX is back under 20, right? We need to see this get over 20 if things really want to get bearish here. But it is bouncing off of the lows right now. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple had a great move here this morning. Again, back to the signal zone here this morning. Tesla. Let's take a look at this one here. So Tesla, again, big push at the open. We pointed that out when zone to zone this morning. Members did well on that one and then pulled back off of the zone. Imagine that. Let's take a look at Boeing. So Boeing, guys, this is a beautiful breakout here today. And this is one we just anticipated going from Friday. What we saw here was this very nice potential for a geometric breakout. We saw some intraday strength on Friday and just kind of said like, hey, this thing is really gearing up for a move. And that was a nice push there on Boeing here today. So let's see if that can continue to go. But again, almost a 2x trade on that one on the debit spreads on those. And it's looking nice on the daily chart. So other than that, guys, Bitcoin, let's take a look. Jamie Dimon just came out and said Bitcoin is worthless, and I'm like, Jamie, you're a CEO of a bank, and people are paying $57,000 for it, so it's worth $57,000. What its value is, what its intrinsic value is that's different, right? But it's worth whatever anybody's willing to pay for it. So again, maybe time for a new CEO for J.P. Morgan, but we'll see how the earnings go. If they have good earnings this week, maybe he can stay. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, Bitcoin, a couple more chart requests out there. We got Clove back on the radar here for the memesters with a nice green move here. Wow, big green move here. Wow, goodness gracious, big green move on this one here today. The 50-day moving average. STC, incredible here. So STC again, looking like a potential bull flag on this one. So we'll see how that goes. AMC. AMC with a really tight range here today. This is a new one. SHIB. We've seen this pop up a few times right here. SHIB. I'm not sure what's coming up with this one here. Maybe you guys are looking at Shanghai, the SHIB, asset duration income. Not sure what's going on with this one here, but we got that. Maybe it's referencing a different name. So Sophie. Big move today, guys. We were actually looking at a fade today, but we said if the memesters can pick up over the 17 20 level, that we could see some strength here in Sophia. We got that today, so really nice move there from the bubble report. And then Any, let's take a look. Any doing pretty good right here, double inside day up, so right at the daily cloud there too. So anyway, guys, good stuff. Really appreciate everybody for tuning in. Hope everybody has a awesome rest of the trading day. We'll see how if this down move is just a subwave pullback, and if we continue to work on this wave 5 move. Otherwise, watch out, we might be in a bigger wave 3, so on the downside. So anyway, guys, we'll see. We'll update it at the market wrap. Till then, stay healthy out there. Maybe your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the